Welcome to our English language class, children. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is articles. I hope all of you have learnt about this topic in your previous class. But again today we are going to have a little bit discussion about it. Okay, so let us start. The first thing that we are going to learn about the topic is that which are the articles. Now you tell me which are the articles. Yes, the first one is a, and the second one is an, and the third one is the. Now the first two, that is a and the second one an, these two are called indefinite articles. Okay? And the third one, that is the, it is called definite article. Now the next question is, where does article come in a sentence? So the articles come before nouns in a sentence. Okay? You will put the article before noun in a sentence. Now we will move to the next topic, that is indefinite articles. We have already learnt a and an. These two are the indefinite articles. Now they are used before singular common nouns. Where they are used? They are used before singular common nouns. Let us take one example. A uniform. Okay? And the next one is, they are also used before collective nouns. Okay? So before collective nouns also we can use indefinite articles, like a flock of sheep. Which is the collective noun here? Yes, flock is the collective noun here. So we will say a flock of sheep. Clear to all? Okay. Now we will move to definite article or definite article. Okay. And which is the definite article? Yes, the. The is the definite articles. Where it is used? Now we are going to learn where it is used. It is used before a specific, means definite, person or thing. Okay. So we will use the before a specific person or thing. Now which are the main topics for which we can use the? Let us discuss that one also. So we can use the before ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means the second boy, the last girl. So these second, last, these are ordinal numbers. Okay. Next is the superlative degree of comparison. So we will use the before the superlative degree of comparison. Let us take one example. He is the best boy in the class. So before best, the superlative degree, we will use the. Then we will also use the before the names of unique things. Now who will tell me which are the unique things? Yes, the unique things are sun, moon. All these are unique things. The earth. So before all these words, we will use the. The sun, the moon, the earth, etc. Okay? Now, let us move to the next point. We will use the before the names of nationalities, races and communities. Okay? Let us take examples like the Indians, the Americans. Okay? Okay. Now the fifth point. We will use the before the names of countries made up of many parts, like the United Kingdom. Next is, we will use the before the names of mountain ranges and deserts. For example, the Himalayas, the Sahara, etc. Okay? Now the 10th point. We will use the before the names of rivers, seas and oceans. For example, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea. Okay, clear to all? Okay. Now we will move to the next point. That is, we can also use, rather we will use the before the names of important buildings. Now which are the important buildings? Like the Red Fort. Okay. And now the last point. Before the names of newspapers and holy books, we will use the, like the Times of India, the Bible, etc. Okay, so you will learn all these points. Then only you will learn about the proper use of definite article. Clear to all? Very good. Now we will move to some exercises. And where you will do it? You will do the first exercise, that is exercise A in your book. Clear to all? Okay. What is the first exercise? Articles have been used incorrectly in these sentences. We are in page number 35. All of you follow your book and take a pencil. Underline the incorrect articles and write the correct articles in the blanks. One has been done for you. The first one has been done for you. They know a woman standing there. So which is the wrong article here? A. And in place of a, we will use the. So the sentence will be, they know the woman standing there. Okay. So that has been done for you. We will start from number 2. Monica planted seeds today. So which is the wrong one? A. What will come in place of a? The. Monica planted the seeds today. Number 3. He will appear for a second test tomorrow. What will be the right one? He will appear for the second test tomorrow. Let us move to number 4. We will move to page number 36 now. This is the best garden I have ever seen. Which is the wrong one? What will come in place of a? The. This is the best garden I have ever seen. Now number 5. Many countries sent astronauts to a moon. Very wrong. What will happen? Many countries send astronauts to the moon. Number 6. Megha has never visited an European country and is wrong because it is pronounced as European, U. So it will be a. Megha has never visited a European country. Next is number 7. Do you have the pen? Wrong. Which is wrong? The. What will come in the place of the? A. Do you have a pen? Last one. We went to see. It will be 2. It will not be at. It's a printing mistake. We went to see a Taj Mahal last month. What will happen? We went to see the Taj Mahal last month. Okay. So that's all about the first question. We will move to the next one now. What is the next one? Fill in the blanks with correct articles. Again, one has been done for you. The first one has been done for you. Kimi lives in the new house next to mine. We will start from number 2. Hemant is dash honest man. What will come? An. Hemant is an honest man. Number 3. My sister wants to study in dash university. My sister wants to study in a university. Number 4. Please switch off dash television. What will come? Please switch off the television. Number 5. You can see many fishermen fishing in dash Ganga. What will come before Ganga? The. Number 6. The last one. Dash French tourists had a great time in India. What will come here? The. The French tourists had a great time in India. Okay. So that's all about question number B. Now we will move to the next one. Let's perfect it. The first one of this part is question number A. Fill in each blank with the correct article. One has been done for you. My mother told me a story about a unicorn. That has been done for you. We will start from number 2. Dash airport is quite far from here. What will come? The. The airport is quite far from here. Number 3. Ours is dash united group. Ours is a united group. Number 4. I saw dash army of soldiers running down the mountain. I saw an army of soldiers running down the mountain. Number 5. A calculator is dash useful machine. What will come? A calculator is a useful machine. Number 6. He is a citizen of dash United States of America. He is a citizen of the United States of America. Number 7. Dash Pacific Ocean is vast. What will come? The. The Pacific Ocean is vast. Number 8. Dash Indian team is playing against dash Australian team. In both the blanks you will have to use the. The Indian team is playing against the Australian team. Number 9. The school is taking us for dash 1 week trip to Jaipur. It will be a. The school is taking us for a 1 week trip to Jaipur. Number 10. Do you know how dash Bengalis celebrate Durga Puja? What will come? The. Do you know how the Bengalis celebrate Durga Puja? We will move to the next page. The same question is continuing. Number 11. There is dash pit of snakes in this dry well. There is a pit of snakes in this dry well. Number 12. It will take me dash hour to complete my homework. What will be the answer? An. It will take me an hour to complete my homework. Number 13. Dash Nile is dash longest river in dash world. 3 blanks in one single sentence. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Next, Tom goes to dash university while his brother works in office. Tom goes to a university while his brother works in office. Number 15. That filmmaker is making a film on dash Mumbai terrorist attack. That filmmaker is making a film on the Mumbai terrorist attack. Number 16. Last night I saw dash unknown shining object in the sky. What will be the answer? An. I saw an unknown shining object in the sky. Number 17. Dash best way to stay fit is to exercise. What will be the answer? The. The best way to stay fit is to exercise. Number 18. My uncle is dash electrician. What will be the answer? An. Number 19. Where do you usually go for dash walk? For a walk. Number 20. The last one. You are dash hour late for the show. You are an hour late for the show. Now let us move to the next page. That is, we are already in the next page actually. That is page number 37. And now we will do this exercise. And you will have to do this exercise in your copy. Students, please follow it. You have to do this exercise that we are going to do now in your copy. You will write it with proper article in your copy, not in the book. It is not possible for you to write it down in the book. So what you will do? You will do it in the copy. I have mentioned in your assignment also. Okay, the first one. I had a strange dream. Before strange there will be a. Last night, full stop. I saw myself selling in a boat in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. So before boat you will put a, and before Atlantic Ocean you will put the. Next is an alien. It will be an alien landed on my boat. It made a strange sound and the boat began to fly. I think we were moving towards the moon when suddenly an unusual looking eagle hit against the boat. The boat fell back into the ocean and I fell with a thump, not into the ocean but onto the floor. That's all about the answer. You will write it in your copy. I hope all of you have understood. So that's all about this chapter. Thank you for watching and stay well.